Look at that shit. Fumes, bro.
It was a crazy, scary drive from Mexico to Origins event. Tashir has a private jet company, rental. What's your company? Airbnb. So we're setting up an episode to maybe where the car needs to race the jet. And I got faith in the car. But
there's only so much runway, so we'll see.
Okay. All right. Hey, look at my vest. This is the muscular size that they make, the muscular size.
Oh, no way! They got the best.
Nothing fucking goes in. He's like the color guard. You know what I'm saying?
I'm the crossing guard.
You're the
crossing color guard, bro. What the heck's a color guard? You hear this guy?
Hey, Tony thinks he's like right now superior because he has the media pass.
Okay.
He thinks that.
Well, the vest.
It's the best.
You guys see the vest?
Pass.
Oh, are you okay? Oh, are you okay? What happened? Alright, we're even now.
Get the fuck away, bro.
I love you, we're even.
I have my shit's not on safety right now, bro.
Dude, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get you that hard. I'm sorry.
It wasn't a tap. It was supposed to be a friendly tap.
I'm sorry.
It was like Hadouken.
Sorry.
Hey, so he kicked me in the balls. He hit me in the balls. So I'm gonna see if this actually works. You know what I'm saying? There's only one way to find out if there's still any batteries in this thing. Act like we have nothing going on, you know? Blend in.
Oh shit, oh my god. That would have hurt so bad. Oh my god, that would have hurt so bad.
Pose. BB's in the chain looking wet. Deposit I ain't hit the count yet. Shit ain't verified like my check.
Inside the burnout pit, check it out! Inside the burnout pit! This is just a warm-up, ladies and gentlemen. We just getting started. The night is just getting started. This is just a warm-up. We got more in store for you all.
Alright guys, that was the first warm-up. There's a lot more to come. It's gonna be a crazy night. Did you see that guy? I almost got bit by a snake because I slapped the snake instead of shaking his hand, bro. I almost got bit.
You missed it, man. But go tune in and you'll still see it, man. Look, man, it's going down. What's up, baby? How you doing, man?
He's waiting for you to take the Ferrari out, bro.
I'm gonna take the Anaconda out right now, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Acura NSX. Liberty Walk wide body on an Acura NSX.
Like, try and stoop down a little bit, bro.
Alright. We're trying to talk Victor into...
Right now what we're trying to do, he's looking for cars, I'm looking for girls. So it's like...
I've literally seen Victor talk to 3 girls already.
I stepped in and then just like
Just forced it in, alright?
Oh, she's definitely
put
fitting.
2 of you in there.
She definitely
You have a sister?
You
can fit 2 as well.
Don't click it, just make it
that's
so
Anna.
she totally fits.
Wow, she fits. Alright, now you gotta open it.
Let her out.
Alright, we're going for 2. We're going for 2.
2 for 2.
I'm too tall.
2 for 3.
That's close. You're gonna close.
Wait, she fits too!
Think small. Think small.
She's with you.
I think she fits too.
Okay, hold on. And then we're gonna get both of them in there.
2 girls, 1 trunk.
I think she fits. Let's see if it closes. It closes. Yeah! Number 2!
Hey, have fun in there.
we'll pick you up.
Hey guys, let's get out of here.
Hey, it's not opening.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, it's attack of the cameras.
Boom,
boom, boom, boom. Oh no. Who's got it? Oh.
Wait, I got the biggest camera. Hold on.
Pose. VV's in the chain looking wet. Deposit I ain't hit the count yet.
So what happened, Victor?
Scott, nothing. I just, I still have some gas. I just want to go and top it off.
So
with
why is
110.
Eric here with us?
I want to top it off with 110 so we can do the fumes. Look at that shit. Fumes, bro. The drifting competition.
Top it out is he has 0 gas. 0 gas. Who doesn't get gas before they drive to an event?
Hey.
Eric, how often does this happen?
Almost never.
Thank you.
Almost
never.
Hey, take 2. now you're gonna say all the time.
No, we want. Hey, Victor ran out of gas. I want everybody
trying to get
know.
my reps in, bro. I'm trying to get my reps in right now. You know
Hey,
what I'm saying?
do you want to pay the guy?
Yeah.
Because
Hey,
he doesn't trust
hey, pay the man, bro. Is that $4?
Oh shit. It says don't Ford Ferrari.
Oh well.
Too late now.
You kicked out.
I'm just trying to get the fucking fuel pumps going.
No, your fuel's good.
Because it was dead. It was like,
still
it was.
full of it.
What'd you say, Tony?
All right, guys, Origin's coming to an end. We had an incredible time. I think you guys, hopefully you really enjoyed the video. Origins, thank you so much for having Straight Up Driven out here. We're hoping to be more involved in future videos. Get Victor doing some crazy stuff.
Hopefully we're gonna have gas next time and better tires, so we can definitely go out and do some crazy donuts and crazy stuff for sure next time.
But guys, please, we're looking for you. We can't be successful without your support. So we're sending out an SOS, but our SOS is SLS, subscribe, like, and share. SLS Straight Up Driven,
I like that.
subscribe,
I
like,
like
and
that.
share.
We'll see you guys soon on the next one.